nararamdaman niya na merong matamis na pumasok, automatic dapat madadagdag niya na meron din glucose na pumasok. And then it will be happy.
Halos sumayad na yung dede sa ano.
Ginagawa ng ganito, ng mga sweeteners. It will make the pleasure center triggered. Okay? Good. Parang
Halos sumayad na yung dede sa...
Pleasurable. Okay? You felt the pleasure.
Ha?
And then,
Ay,
instantly, yung
lampas 5 to.
kasi nga,
5 ang unang anak nito eh. At saka, mas malaki tiyan niya ngayon. Hindi katulad nung unang buntis niya.
Yun yung parang magpapabaliw sa'yo. Okay? It will go crazy.
Kung kumakain parang itlog araw-araw eh.
Pero walang glucose. And that's why, you can be honest with yourself. That's why, every time, kahit pa sabihin mo you have a sense of control, na kaya mong hindi tumikim, sabihin mo, kaya kong tumikim pa konti lang, okay? Kahit pa sabihin mo you already have that sense of control, na ma-okay ka na, makatikim ka lang ng konti. But you can honestly say yourself, you cannot say no totally, right? You just don't have the capacity. And it's not just about willpower. It's about the chemical processing in your